7 free AI tools I wish I knew earlier. Most people don't need more hours. They need more leverage. And AI gives you leverage. And the crazy part, most of the best tools are free. Here is the first one, ChatGPT. Most people use it like Google, and that's the mistake. Don't ask it for answers. Ask it to think with you. I use it to brainstorm video ideas, to rewrite scripts, and solve problems that have taken me hours. One prompt, hours saved. Next, Perplexity. Google gives you links. Perplexity gives you answers with sources. It's like hiring a researcher who never sleeps. Third, NotebookLM. Imagine turning a 200-page PDF into a conversation. Instead of reading everything, you ask questions, it answers. That's not convenience, that's compression. Number 4, Gamma. Presentations usually take me hours to create. Now, I just describe what I want. It builds the first draft in minutes. The blank page is gone. Number 5, CapCut AI. Editing isn't hard. Repeating the same task is. Captions, silence removals, auto-cutting. AI handles the boring work for you. You focus on the creative work. Number 6, ElevenLabs. Do you need a realistic voiceover? Well, you don't need a studio anymore. Your laptop is enough. That's how fast the game is changing. Number 7, Canva AI. Most people think that Canva is for beginners. They are completely wrong. With AI, it's becoming a complete creative workspace. Images, presentations, social posts, all in one place. People think that AI replaces people, but it doesn't. People that use AI replaces people who doesn't use them. The tool is not the advantage. Knowing how to use it is the advantage. So here is today's challenge for you. Pick just one tool from this list and start using it today. Use it for the next 7 days. Don't judge AI after 5 minutes. Use it continuously. Judge it after you have let it save you 5 hours of your work. See you.